How to cancel Amazon Prime membership. So let's get started. Firstly, log into your Amazon account through Amazon website and hover over Accounts and List and click on Prime membership in the drop-down menu. At the top right of the page, click on Update Cancel and More under the Manage Membership heading, then simply click on End Membership option available there. On the next page, click Cancel My Benefits option available there, simply tap on it. You will then be asked to reconsider your decision, but if you still want to go ahead, click Continue to cancel. Now Amazon will ask you to reconsider again, but since you are certain you want to cancel your Prime subscription, click Cancel Membership. Now on the mobile app, go to the same option, open Amazon app, then tap on the profile icon, then tap your account, then scroll down and tap Membership and Subscription. Then simply tap on the Prime membership and tap on the Cancel Membership option available there. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.